stage pa lang, okay na yung mga bata, di ba? Ayos tayo. Ngayon, I would like to thank Sir Kevin Sabanda for inviting me here tonight. Afternoon, kahapon, kasama ko si Diakin. So, sana pasaya na kayo. Anyway, ngayon, makikijam na tayo sa banda. Something from Jason Mraz. Sana ba magustuhan nyo itong kanta? And if you know the song, you can sing with me. Alright, go! Sa mga may kanta, pwede po tayo sa mga banda. So hard that I meant to fell right through the cracks. And now I'm trying to get back. Before the good time run out, I'll be giving it my bestest. Nothing's gonna stop me but divine intervention. A record is again my turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up the place and then you're free. Look into your heart and you will find love, 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 love. Listen to the music of the moment, let me sing with me. We're just one big melody. It's your life, we're singing back to me. Love, 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 love. So ako po ay 21 years old.
Huwag mo nang lagyan ng po para mas maganda ang usapan.
Ayun, ako ay 21.
21, kahapon 19 ako, ngayon 29.
Yes, come on. Ika ano na, debut
Charles,
ko.
may girlfriend na?
Wala.
Wala?
Oh, inisip ko dito sa Pampanga ba, meron ako.
Wala. Ayan, is this your first time in Pampanga?
Actually, a few times na. Kasi si Sir, a good friend of mine.
Okay. So medyo familiar ka na sa mga Pampangueños.
Oo, pero yung language lang talaga ang hirap eh.
Ang hirap. Tuturuan kita. Alam mo na ba sa Katagang Kapampangan ang salitang I love you? Hindi. Tuturuan kita. Ang salitang I love you sa Kapampangan ay kaluguran ka. Ulitin mo lang yun. Ayan.
Meron akong alam. Meron akong alam.
Ano alam mo?
Ito, may nagturo lang sa akin. Pero hindi ko alam yung ibig sabihin.
Okay, ano
So,
yun?
sana okay lang.
Sana rin, alam ko yan.
Lupayang taklang tabulang.
Sino nagturo niyan sa'yo, Charles?
Ayaw ko ba yung ibig sabihin?
Yan. Oo. Ang itinuro nun sa'yo, hindi maganda.
Ano ba ibig sabihin?
Ano ba yun? Alam mo lang yung damulag. Ang damulag na lang pag-usapan natin, kalabaw yun. Yun ang ating pambansang hayop. O, di ba? Good teacher.
Parang alam ko na.
Ayan, o, alam mo na?
Oo nga.
Huwag mo nang alamin yun. Yung itinuturo ko sa'yo, mas importanteng pag-usapan natin ngayon. Sabihin mo, kaluguran ba ka?
Kaluguran baka.
Kaluguran ba ka?
Damulag.
Ay,
Ay,
sorry.
hindi ako na.
Yeah. Ganyan po talaga ang medyo nagkakalapitan, nagkakasakitan.
Oo nga,
Ayan.
nagkakasakitan na.
Ayan. Charles, patiin mo muna ang ating mga kabarkadang Kapampangan.
Ayan, sa mga kapuso natin dito sa Pampanga, sana po lagi po tayo manood ng Master Show Marwell Tulugan. Every Saturday po yan ng gabi. Alam ko yung mga bata medyo tulog na. Pero yung mga mamis and daddy, sana pag wala kayong napapanood. Alam ko late na.
Kapag hindi kayo makatulog.
Pag hindi kayo makatulog, makikita niyo ako. Actually, kahapon si Diaki, dapat ngayon din siya, pero meron kasi siyang party Pilipinas, so hindi siya nakasama. Anyway, alam ko na, napasaya nila. Napasaya ni Aki.
Yan. At napapasaya mo rin naman kami. Ang sabi ng iba doon, wow, ang gwapo, ang puti. Ayan.
Okay.
Mas gwapo po siya sa malapitan. Sa susunod po niyang kanta, magre-request na kami, Charles.
Sige po.
Ayan. Pero bago sila, ako muna. Kiss mo na.
Yan o. Ayos!
Charles, I would like to introduce to you my faculty, the teachers of EZE.
Hello po.
Ayan. At syempre po, ang aming mga mababait at magagandang mga mommies and daddies over there. Pwede bang sa susunod mong kanta, makamayan mo lang
Sige.
sila.
Sige po, I'll try my best. Ito yung kaunti ko medyo...
What is your next song? What is the title of your next song?
Actually, kinakamain na. Pero ito yung something from Justin Bieber.
Alright.
Baby. So sana
Baby.
gusto nila.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Charles.
Alright, kung alam mo yung kanta, sabay mo kayo sa akin ha. Oh, 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 oh. I know you love me, I know you care. You shall remember, I'll be there. You are my love, you are my heart, and we will never, ever, ever be apart. And we ignite up, contemplating. We're just friends, what are you saying? Say there's another right in my eye. I fell in love, but my heart for the first time. And I was like, baby, baby, baby. Oh yeah, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, like, baby, baby, baby. But you will always be mine, mine. Baby, baby, baby. Ooh, like, baby, baby, baby. Ooh, like, baby, baby, baby. Oh, but you will always be mine. You are only you. I wouldn't tell you ever. And I just can't believe we get together. Don't wanna play you good, but if I was losing you, I'll buy you anything, I'll buy you anyway. You're the pieces, you just next to me, and you shake me till you wake me from this bad dream. I'm going down, 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 and I just can't believe my first love will be around. Baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 ooh, baby, 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 oh, but you always be mine, mine. Baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, baby, 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 oh, but you always be mine. When I was 13, I had my first love. It was my nigga Patsy, but maybe anybody can be jealous, so never come abroad. She had me going crazy, oh, I was starstruck. She woke me up daily, don't even start up. She made my heart pound. As I believe when I see her in the street, and it's cool when I play the ground. But I really when I see her on the weekend, she knows she got me crazy, and she was so amazing. And now my heart is breaking, but I just keep on saying, baby, 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 baby.